Hello. In this session, we are going to understand why do we need Agile. Were we not doing good before Agile? We were, isn't it? We were using waterfall model over the centuries, and we have constructed many of the products, and we have executed many of the projects successfully by adopting waterfall approach. But then what is the problem that we are facing primarily, which made us to think and come up with an innovative approach like adaptive approach or agile approach? There was one big problem with waterfall model, and the problem was, while you take all the requirements from the customer and you start to work on those requirements, and you are halfway through your development, if your customer comes with any changes midway, then you will not be able to take those changes. You will fall in a dilemma. That means if you say yes to the customer, you might have to increase your schedule, you might have to tweak your budget, you might have to add more resources, you might have to rework. So this is going to affect your organization, your project, and you might not be able to deliver that product by staying within the project constraints, and it might be a loss to the organization, and there may be a low morale within the team, within the organization, and you will be answerable to senior management if you are tweaking any of the elements of the project. And in that situation, if you say no to the customer, then customer will be unhappy, and he might not be able to get the desired functionality in the final product that you give to the customer by not incorporating those changes which customer has asked for midway. And it might lead to loss of future business, and it might be a loss to your organization ultimately. So as to cope such situations, adaptive life cycle is the best solution. Adaptive life cycle or agile approach is the best solution, because in agile approach you are not going to work on complete set of requirements in one go, and you are going to work on few set of requirements each iteration. So this iterative approach is practiced in agile, and there are different other practices that we adopt as part of agile, which will really help us to come up with an innovative solution. So this is one of the reasons that we adopt agile, and there are many other reasons why we adopt agile, and there are many benefits that we achieve after we adopt agile. So this is all about why we need agile. This is one of the scenario that I have explained, like why do we require any other approach if we are already having some approaches in place. So this is the answer for that. Yeah, so I think we are done with this concept. Now in the next session we are going to look at, is agile good in all situations, or is agile a boon in all situations, and is traditional life cycle worse in all situations? So we are going to understand that by taking some examples. Yeah, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.